Today I'm going to be filming a unboxing of my new Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribe. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing of my new Impala roller skates. So I'm very excited because I mean I've been on the hunt for quad skates since about June, for sure June. Like I know I wanted some eventually, but like June when I went to my little cousin's skating ring party is when I realized that I really wanted some quad skates. As we know, during quarantine, people are picking up a lot of outdoor activities, which I'm all here for. Trying new things while we have the time to, when we typically don't have the time to, is something that I am all for. A lot of the roller skating community has been growing during this time, and so if you've been trying to get your hand on roller skates, you know that it's been practically impossible. The only sizes you can really come across is like 2 and 3, which who wears a size 2 and 3? Not I. How I came across these skates is literally I was watching someone unbox their skates because I love watching unboxing videos. The girl posted the website to where she bought the skates, and I just so happened to click on the website and there was one skate available from Impala in only 2 sizes, a 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, and I'm a 7.5. So I was like, holy shit, is this real life? So I decided, well, not easily, but after a lot of back and forth, I decided to order the skates, hoping that they would fit me because I didn't really have much time to research the sizing. Yeah, so I ordered the skates and they finally got here yesterday, which was the 4th. Very excited. The skate shop that I ordered from is Pigeon's Roller Skate, which I later found out has some controversy in the past. They are rebranding and they're trying to actively be better. It wasn't my first choice. I didn't realize that they had already rebranded when I bought from them. They used to be Planet Roller Skate. If you're part of the skating community or if you've done your research, you know what's going on with that community or that skate shop. So I didn't realize that it was the same person. Since I'm new to this whole entire community, I didn't realize Pigeon was Pigeon. You know what I mean? So spare me with all the yip yap in the comments. I'm very aware. I also know the controversy behind Impala skates. Guys, with $100 skates, I mean, I don't expect $100 skates to last me long. I definitely expect them to give me the taste to see if I really want to invest $200, $300, $400, $500 in some longer lasting skates. But this is a great price point for someone like me who's just getting started. So I decided to just order the Impala. So I'm very excited. Let me go ahead and get the butter knife so that I can pop this open. So I don't have much battery, so I can do this quickly, but I did go with the Impala and I got my hands on the voltage green skates. They are vegan, so they're not real leather. I really just hope these fit me at this point. That's all I care about. I'm also going to share some accessories that I've already ordered because I'm just that kind of person. I got the accessories before I got the skates. So this is how they come. Oh my god. They are so bright. Smell like grass. Look how freaking bright these are. Are you kidding me? Do you see these colors? Do you see this color? So first impression, they're pretty heavy. They do have a piece of paper in here. Oh my god, they're so freaking beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Okay, the leather feels very stiff and sturdy. I know the boot is plastic, like the heel boot. This is metal. I'm sorry if I don't know the terms. If you're like a professional skater, like I am new, so I know one thing people always tell you to do is check your wheels to see if they roll. If they're not rolling, you need to like loosen them. So I definitely gotta loosen that one. That one. I gotta loosen them all a little bit. What's much to say, like the specs, like this is just rubber. I like how this part, I forgot, I watched so many videos, but I'm blanking out on all the terms right now, but I love how this little part here matches the color of the, they're so beautiful. I can't, you do have to lace them up. So, wow. There you have them. There's the Impala vintage green skates. They do look more like yellow. It's like, what? This is beautiful. What else is in the box is an Impala extended warranty in addition to your rights, 3-month warranty period. So I know there's the controversy that's supposedly that after a while the skate starts to lift at the heel. I mean, I have to obviously test mine and run them, but I agree with everyone else. When you're getting $100 skate, when you know the real price point of skates, you can't expect them to last you forever, and I don't expect them to last me forever. I got this skate. Oh my god, does it fit me? Ooh. It's cutting it close. My socks are like very high. They are wide, so that's good, but it's cutting it close with the fitting. Probably got an 8. Oh my god. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I'm just taking in the prettiness. So yeah, I gotta loosen them a little bit. But yeah, like in my opinion, if you know the average price for some great quality skates is $200-300 and this is $100 starting, you can't expect them to last forever. And that's with anything. If you're gonna go the cheaper route, I'm all for it, but you can't expect them to last forever, period. So as far as first impression, besides the smell, they smell a little grassy, like literally like fresh cut grass. You know how that smells. No complaints. So as far as accessories, I did order some performer work cushion foot socks just from Amazon. This was just $10 for a pack of 6. I was gonna order the cute little skater ones with the strip, like the little colorful strip, but like I just wanted to have a bunch of pairs at first, and I can get those later on, you know? Because those are like $15 for 2. This was $10 for 6. So I was like... And then I also got a helmet. Safety first. I did get this pink little helmet from Amazon. It was $25. Got it to fit me correctly. You have to like change the padding in there and get your correct sizes, but this was $25. And I did get pink because even though my skates are yellow, like I'm not gonna have everything yellow, so we're gonna have some color. So I got that. As far as knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist pads, I've already had them, so they're just black. They're downstairs in my garage because I have inline skates. So I didn't order new ones because it's like I don't need to, you know, it's just gonna have black. And then as far as remaining tools, I did order a skate tool off of Amazon. This was $8, and this is what you're gonna use to loosen up your wheels. So when it comes with this piece, I don't know what that does, but probably something important, and it has a little bag. I will leave everything linked down below that I can find for you. So I got a skate tool to loosen my wheels. And then from Etsy, I got this, well, this was actually from Macari, because Macari is, for some things, it's way cheaper than Etsy. And it's just a place where, it's like Poshmark, but it's called Macari, but you can also sell your handmade items there too. So I did get these toe covers. So because I did as I was watching other people use these skates, when these get scratched, because they will, it does leave a not so cute mark. So I did, just to, you know, make it last as long as possible, I did get these toe covers that would just go on the front. I have to take this off, put the little hole through that hole, and then I have some toe stops to stop, you know, just for durability and keeping it as long as possible. And then the seller, she just threw in these little hearts. Sorry if the lighting is like becoming bad now. Sorry, I'm like right in front of a window. She said she just threw these little shoelace things in there for me. They're just little hearts, so I guess you just pull them through the shoestring. So that was nice, and I think I got these for like $13 off of Mercari, whereas on Etsy people have them for like $30 or more. And that's cool and all, and I respect their pricing. I know people are gonna shop in them, but I think like I'm gonna be the type of person that wants to change them often, so that's why I just went for a lower price point. Then lastly, I got this cute little skate leash from Etsy. This is from Project Pinup, and it's literally ice cream cone. No, not ice cream cones. Like a sundae topping, like, you know what I mean? Like it looks like frosting or like a sundae, like super cute. And the way you use this is a skate leash. So let me show you. Hold on. Let me get it all situated. I already did one side, but do you see how it has this little adjusting piece? You put it through the side, and then you would put the other side through your other skate, and then you could just carry it like that. Does that make sense to you? And it just makes it easier to carry around, like if you take your skates location to skate, or if you go to an actual skating ring, you will have a skate leash to carry your skates. You can also get a bag, but I like the leash. I think it's cute. That is all the accessories I have. I am going to go ahead and put the skates, well, I'm going to lace them and ride around my house and go from there. Lefty, loose. I might have to have Anthony do this because they are tight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have Anthony do this for me. First impression, these socks are probably too thick for me. I forgot to mention I did order new laces from Amazon, from the Derby brand. They just are gonna be here on Thursday. So they definitely need longer laces because, as you can see, like, that's just not cutting it. I need to loosen my wheels, but I'm too weak. So I'm gonna have to wait for Anthony to come and loosen them. But first impression is, I literally cannot wait to go outside. Like, look how freaking gorgeous. My camera is about to die. So stay tuned for more updates on how I learn how to skate. And I'm gonna put the stoppers on so that I don't scratch the tip. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more skating videos. Bye.